Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study physics using an easy method. First, ensure your math foundation is solid, focusing on algebra and trigonometry. Next, select a well-regarded introductory physics textbook. Many free online resources are available. Commit to regular study, perhaps 30 minutes each day, to build momentum and understanding. Consistency is key to mastering complex concepts without feeling overwhelmed. This structured approach will make your learning journey much smoother. Once you have a good textbook, focus on core concepts. Start with classical mechanics, covering topics like motion, forces, and energy. After that, transition to electromagnetism. Enhance your learning by watching online lectures from top universities. These often provide different perspectives. Don't forget to use interactive simulations and virtual labs to visualize abstract ideas and see physics in action. This multifaceted approach deepens comprehension. Physics is best learned by doing, so practice is paramount. Solve as many problems as possible from your textbook, starting with the easier ones and progressing to more complex challenges. Don't just look at solutions. Work through example problems step by step to internalize the methods. If you get stuck, engage with online study groups or forums. Explaining concepts to others also solidifies your own understanding. Once you've mastered the fundamentals, you can delve into more advanced topics. Explore the fascinating worlds of quantum mechanics, relativity, or even astrophysics. Consider how physics applies to real-world fields like engineering or astronomy to keep your motivation high. Remember, self-study is a marathon, not a sprint, so celebrate your progress. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Keep learning and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.